8 kitchen utensils that will make your life easier. Be a good chef. Number 1. GreaterGoods Digital Food Kitchen Scale. Andrew says, very clean looking and simple design. Very easy to clean with no moving buttons. Love the size, small enough to store away but not too small. Number 2. ThermoPro Digital Thermometer. Robert says, love the folding feature with the lock button. It has a temperature guide for cooking meats printed on the back, which is so handy. We keep it on your fridge with magnets and love it. Number 3. KitchenAid Can Opener. Baker says, everything I wanted in a can opener. Smooth turning action, cuts through tin cans like soft butter, big comfortable handles, and turning knob. 1 month in, daily use, 0 complaints. Excellent value. Number 4. Pyrex Glass Measuring Cup Set. Nicole says, nothing beats a classic Pyrex measuring cup for cooking and baking. I love that this has both metric and imperial measurements, so I can use recipes from all over the world. Number 5. HOMWE Flexible Oven Gloves. Georgia says, perfect. I got it and tried right away. Works flawlessly. I got the XL size so it would fit my husband too. My hands are very small and I do not have issues with it. A tiny bit baggy, but that was my personal choice. My husband's hands fit in comfortably. Number 6. Microplane Premium Zester Grater. Maria says, great Microplane Zester, very sharp. Love the little rubberized feet on the bottom that eliminate the possibility of it scratching the surface upon which you rest it to grate. It makes fast work of hard cheeses and zests. We love our freshly grated Asiago over homemade pasta, so this little beauty is often at the table. Number 7. Spring Chef Premium Vegetable Peeler. Joan says, this really is the best peeler that I have bought, and there have been many over the years. Great quality, very comfortable in the hand, and it works really well. The final test for me was when I peeled celery. It took a fine skin off and without messy stringy bits clogging up the peeler. Number 8. New Star Measuring Spoons. Jean Marie says, spoons arrived on time. They are very sturdy and resistant. I especially like them for their usefulness in measuring spices. Also for measuring incense to put on charcoal. Very happy with them.